All right, welcome back. I don't know how this video is going to fit in anywhere. If this is an intro, great. I've got, as you can see, just stuff on the Jeep here. When I move stuff around outside, we'll get kind of just disorganized. I'm gonna go ahead and get this Jeep, move back into the shop area here, get that all cleaned up, and then I'm gonna get the Jeep on jack stands so I can start addressing getting this thing running. I've got it turning over now, so just an issue of getting a little bit of money together to get the project going. If you want to help out, check out the links at the top of the description. Subscribe, like this video. We're going to jump into it. Back here you can see my wife's taxi. This is what my wife and kids use pretty much every day. I'll make a video about mine, which has been knocked over. Yeah, I'll make a video about this. This is probably the fastest e-bike, probably one of the fastest e-bikes you'll ever see. Let's just leave it at that. It's scary fast. That's why I don't ride it very often. Just want a nice secluded place to work on the Jeep over there. It's finally starting to get nice outside. It's been such a long, hot summer. So this will be nice to have an area to work outside that's just not blistering hot all day long. And I'm looking forward to being outside more during the hot parts of the day, during the fun part of the day. All right, I'm gonna clean off all this stuff and then I'm gonna fill up these front two tires with air. Both the front ones are flat and hopefully I don't have to do anything crazy to get it in there. Just scoot it over, we'll see. All right, I always forget this thing gets so much taller when I fill up those front tires. I think all I need to do is scoot the back end over with a jack and then I can angle the front end with the steering wheel. So I'm gonna do that, but I've just gotta get a few more bikes out from behind it and I'll just catch back up when we're scooting it back in there.
What did you say?
You need help at all?
No.
Pretty impressive that you're doing that whole
The parking brake's the only brake that works on this, so it's set. Once I unset that, I'm pretty sure it'll roll back by itself. Let's see. Go. Cleared, I forgot about that toy. Good enough. Man, let's put some jack stands under that. 4 minutes. Felt like 15. All right, what'd you get?
I got Popkis.
Popkis. Do you like Popkis?
Yeah.
Me too. I'm glad you brought that snack for us.
What's the real name of these?
Pocky.
Talkie?
Just Pocky.
Talkie?
Pocky.
Shoe! Holy moly.
All right. See ya. I'm glad you got that.
Like that one?
Mm-hmm.
Because I like them too.
Yeah. Oh, I broke one.
Thank you.
All right, Mac helped me get the Jeep on jack stands in the front. We're gonna do the back and take the tires off. I'm gonna contemplate putting a lift kit on here.
Yep.
At least bigger knobbier tires for sure. Lots of room under here. Can you bring me some Pocky? They're on my bike right there. Right there, right next to you.
Yum.
I'm good.
I have chocolate on this part.
Yep, that's yummy.
I can see you doing it up. I can see you getting it up.
What's up? Stay back though, I don't want you to get squished.
Good. Here I am, I stay back.
Pretty good. Pretty good back. Good. All right, that's it. Let's get her on jack stands. I'm gonna get the tires off. That's part number 1 for the project. So if you want to help out with that, check out the links in the description. The sooner we get those tires on, the sooner we move on to another part of the project. Coming down. And then you tell me once I get this down, I've got to focus. There we go. Gonna need an extension. I'm gonna take off the hubcap. There we go. I might get new rims for this as well. These are pretty beat up. Watch out, guys. Watch out, guys. I'm gonna move this over here. Watch out, buddy.
I've never seen you take off that before. Daddy, I've never seen you take off that before.
Oh, that's all right.
Hey, where's the puppy? Daddy, what I found.
A bolt.
Yep.
Nice.
I think you should work with it.
Okay. Good thinking.
Just so you know, I put it in the dough.
Up on, move
Where
this
did you
tire.
get the gas tank from?
From the Jeep.
In that?
Underneath it. Yep. All right.
Cool.
Tires are off. Let's check it out. Hold on, I've got to talk to the camera. While the tires are off, I'm probably going to replace all of the calipers. This is the only new one. I'm definitely going to replace all of the soft lines. You can see why. Every soft brake line is going to get replaced before I take my kids out in this thing. She's a boat. I may upgrade to disc spec here. Now that I'm looking at this, I didn't realize those were drums. I'm starting to get nauseous. I guess I need to go get some water. That'll do it for the end of this video. Let's see if we want to introduce the newest baby to the channel officially. She popped up in a video a year and a half ago when she was a baby. Do you want to say hi, Clementine?
Hi.
Do you want to be on TV?
I want to be on TV.
Okay. Do you want to be on TV?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want to say hi to everybody?
Oh, yeah.
Say hi, I love you.
Hi. I love you.
You want to say love you?
Love you.
Okay. Clementine's shy. Mac isn't. You'll see a lot more of him. Say bye to everybody.
Daddy.
Okay, say bye and then we'll talk.
Bye.
Bye. See you on the next episode. Consider helping out if you want to see this project get done faster. I think that's going to be a great way to do it. We'll see you on the next episode.
This channel is on YouTube.
Nice. There you go. There you got it. That's a nice chair. See ya.
I need help kicking this
I thought you are still little. Are you still little?
Nope.
Just a little bit? Nope. Careful.
Now I like that.
Good.
Now pick this one flat over.
Okay, you want me to roll it?
Now that's my favorite part.
Good.
Hey, Daddy.
What?
What if